Hey, you guys, and welcome back. So, today I'm going to teach you guys how to blend some braiding hair to create a custom blend for one of my clients. Okay, so let's get into the blending. So, my client is getting some single leaves twist today, and she said she wanted a fall vibe color. So, we decided to mix together these two colors. This color would be an orange ginger, and then the burgundy color is a 530. Both hairs are supplied by Outre and Freetress, and they both give off a fall vibe. So first thing we're going to do is separate our two bundles in an even amount of hair. And then it's actually your choice how you want to do this, but you can lay the red on the top or you can lay it underneath the orange. Either way, we are going to blend it the same. So I'm going to separate these two bundles because I like to do it in increments. So I am going to put some orange at the top and at the bottom so it can get fully blended when we start pulling this hair apart. Now that we have it together, we're just going to pull this hair apart over and over again. So we're just going to keep repeating this step. And once we do this, it is actually just blending the braided hair together. We're going to do this a few times, and we're going to comb it out as well with our paddle brush to straighten it out. So I'm going to speed up the video for you guys so you guys can get to the ending result. So here's a midpoint result. We have some reds and orange kind of chunks in the hair. As far as not fully blended, we want this hair fully blended, and you will see what I mean. All right, so here is it fully blend. Let me brush this out with our paddle brush real quick so you guys can see a full look at this hair and see how the colors are blending and popping together. One thing you guys need to know when blending braiding hair, make sure that you have your client's length confirmed, because once you start blending certain lengths, it makes it longer. Both of these colors that I used were a 54 inch, which is like a 26 inch naturally, and it extended it. It extended the hair. So please make sure that you confirm the client's length before you start blending. But as far as that, as you guys can see, this color is doing what it needs to do. It's giving fall or no. Just to recap the colors we used today, we used the 530 and the orange ginger, and we got this beautiful blended fall color. We are coming to the end of our video, you guys. I just wanted to give you guys a more better look with the hair, but I definitely enjoy you guys for tuning in. I always enjoy the support and love the support. Continue to support by following, liking, and sharing my content. Follow me on all of my platforms that I'm on. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, as you know, and Instagram. So please, 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 please check out my bio page and click those links and follow. Follow. But I will be bringing you guys another tutorial of another color. And if you're thinking of any color that you want, comment below. Any color that you want to see blended, comment below and we can get it done. Until next time.